Hi guys, in this quick tutorial we're looking at Treasure Hunter from Holy Fire Games. You can play it on the Gazpo.io website on a desktop computer. You start off in a big arena with your character who is a great Indiana Jones look-alike. Your objective is to quickly move about and collect all the valuable gems. The problem is that this arena is populated with an ever-increasing number of ghosts who like to call this place home. You can't come into contact with them, so you have to move about carefully. Even the slightest touch will mean it's curtains. The controls are pretty simple. Your character follows your mouse in two ways. You can click anywhere on the screen and your man will run there and stop. Or alternatively, you can hold down the mouse button and he will follow your mouse pointer wherever you like. Here you can see the different values for the treasure you collect. There are two power-ups available to you in Treasure Hunter. The first power-up is through an icon of wings. When you get this, it can make you run really fast for a short time. You will see a timer in the top left-hand corner of the screen counting down. The second power-up is through the 2x or 2 times icon. This temporarily lets you earn double the amount of points for the gems you collect before the timer runs out. You can generally loiter around the outside of the arena most safely. However, the ghosts can and do go everywhere eventually, so you have to be on your toes. The bigger ghosts move slower. The smaller ghosts move faster but also can change direction quickly and unexpectedly, so be careful. How much treasure can you collect before the ghosts get you?